What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we are here with Katie and we're going to be working on the square body again. We finally got something that Katie wants to put in the truck and we're going to be taking a look at it today. She's got behind us a little steering wheel. It's from Forever Sharp. It's this 15-inch wheel and we're going to go put it in the square body right now. So we're going to start with removing the old wheel. We're using a 5/32, just a hex bit here, and removing all 5 hex screws there. So we'll start with that. Comes out a ways, but pretty long.
Thank you. Like I have to do it more.
Just keep doing it. You'll see when it doesn't. Yeah, you'll see when it doesn't come out anymore. Okay, so it is out. You can do the other ones. Alright, so we've got the hub on there from the old wheel that we just took off, and it's a 5-screw pattern, as you can see. And the one that we have here is a 6-screw. So we're going to pull this hub off. This isn't one of the universals. We have a universal, so we'll replace it with the 6, and we'll get the new wheel put on there. We also have a new horn button with the GMC that'll go in the middle, and we'll grab that and show you guys that here shortly. But we'll start with pulling this off and putting the new one on. Alright guys, so the wheel is in. We like the color quite a bit better, and I like the width of it too. Pretty significant, even though it's just an inch wider. You can slightly tell that the center cap is, I think it's milled versus chrome. You can't tell so much when it's out of the direct light, but all in all, I think we're pretty happy with it. So there it is, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. The install is super easy. Katie doesn't use power tools very often, and she was able to do it pretty much on her own. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask below. But here it is. Looks good, I think. This was a factory second wheel. I don't see any issues with it. I think it was like 30 bucks cheaper. So if you're looking at them, go take a look. I'll put a link up to their website. I got it on eBay. Those links sometimes like discontinue or expire, so I won't put that link down there, but I'll put a link to their website. Go check them out on eBay. Their prices are a little better on eBay, I think. So there it is, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.